Are you a property owner or construction services provider in California? Well, here are some ways to determine whether your mechanics lien is valid and enforceable. Hello and welcome to the Immigrant Lawyer. My name is Leah and I'm a California licensed attorney. In California, a mechanics lien is a hold or lien that a construction services provider, such as a contractor, subcontractor, supplier, laborer, can place on a property if the construction services provider is not getting paid. Filing the mechanics lien involves filling out a form called Claim of Mechanics Lien and recording it with your county recorder's office. And if the mechanic lien is unpaid, the claimant can force a foreclosure action forcing the sale of the property instead of getting monetary compensation for their services. Now, in California, mechanics liens are subject to pretty strict statutory requirements. So whether you're a property owner trying to figure out whether a mechanics lien recently placed on your property is valid and can be enforced, or if you're on the other side, a construction services provider trying to see whether you can enforce your mechanics lien, you must follow certain requirements. First, claimants, except for direct contractors or laborers, must file what's called a preliminary notice. Preliminary notice must be served on the property owner within 20 days after delivering the work or services to the subject property. Also, the lien claim must be accompanied by a notice of mechanics lien served on the property owner. The notice of mechanics lien includes certain information like who the claimant is, where the subject property that the services or materials were provided, and of course, the amount owed. Another important requirement for a mechanics lien in California is that the lien is filed within the legal time limit. If the claimant doesn't file their mechanics lien within the appropriate time frame, then the lien becomes invalid and unenforceable. The claimant must record their mechanics lien within 90 days of completing the work on the subject property or when the property owner began using the improvement on the subject property or when the property owner accepted the improvement on the subject property. After recording the mechanics lien with the county recorder's office, the claimant has 90 days from recording the mechanics lien to then initiate a foreclosure action with the local court. This 90-day time limit may be even shortened if the property owner records a notice of cessation or completion on the subject property. If the property owner records a notice of cessation or completion on the subject property, then general contractors have only 60 days to file the foreclosure action, while subcontractors have 30 days to initiate their lawsuit with the court. Thanks for watching this quick overview of mechanics lien in California. We'll see you next time here at the Immigrant Lawyer.